Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the daytime running lights. We do also have the front lower nudge bar. We've got the wide arches as well on this vehicle. The 20-inch alloy wheels, side steps along the bottom. We've got the roof rails up top. We do also have the grey exterior paintwork. Privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the rear canopy, the truckman canopy just there. Round to the rear, you found we have rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the tow bar just down here, as you can see, the tinted tail lights as well. If we just take a look at the interior quickly, then you'll find we have the half leather interior, contrast between the black and the orange with the orange stitching, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO punch back there. We have the electric windows on the doors, the same half leather interior for the front. We have the WILDTRAK logo embroidered just there. Both the front seats are heated. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Just take a seat inside as it is raining. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see. We've got the two digital screens either side of the dashboard. Put a foot on the brake and then turn the vehicle on, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So as you can see on the left screen, we have the phone connectivity, we have the navigation and also the entertainment. It can be controlled using this side of the steering wheel. The other side will have the trip computer, which can be controlled using this side. We have the cruise control and the speedometer, automatic wipers and automatic lights, electric mirrors. We have the main screen just here in the centre. As you can see, we do have the sat-nav navigation just there. We have the audio as well, where you find we have the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth audio and CD player. Climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, along with the mobile apps as well. We do have the settings where you find even further features, so we have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, we have the ambient lighting as well just there. We have the climate control just down here. We've got the heated seats either side, ice-cold air conditioning as well. Automatic gearbox, if you put that into reverse, you find the reversing camera appear on the screen. We also have the two-wheel and four-wheel drive high and low settings just down there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.